With the establishment of the National Park in 1959 and the Marine Reserve in 1998, the Galápagos Islands are well known for their conservation status and the conservation state of majority of its ecosystems, which has led to several worldwide recognitions. Due to the protection, the mangroves here in the Galápagos are close to a pristine state. After spending the week with Nicolas and learning about the mangroves, I can say that these enchanting forests are truly special and resilient. And maybe the solution here is that it's a message of hope to the world. We should be fully protecting our mangroves worldwide because they are crucial for addressing the world's climate and biodiversity crisis.
So the do-nothing concept is basically conservation, right? So it's no tree logging, no urbanization over mangroves, and conserve the mangroves. The problem elsewhere in most of the world is that mangroves have already been destroyed. So nature needs a little bit of help from us through restoration programs to actually retrieve back the functions and the forests, mangrove forests. So we can help actually nature to do that. But as I said in the morning, it should be done wisely, because you have to preserve the genetic variability, species composition, everything.
The way the mangroves in the Galápagos Islands fight through all the circumstances against them shows us that there's hope and we should be fighting for mangroves worldwide. These salt-tolerant trees are resilient and constantly show that by defying the odds stacked against them. Of course, mangroves in the Galápagos weren't always protected. Before the national park, mangroves were cleared for urbanization just as the rest of the world. There are hotels here that are built within mangroves, and while that was in the past, it's still a testament to what change can do. It's not too late, or rather, it's never too late. Now, they are trying to extend their no-take protective zones, which forbids any extractive activity, to 30%. Policy is a big part, but education is another major part of conservation. One thing I couldn't help but notice with the people of the Galápagos Islands is that they are in harmony with nature and well educated about what surrounds them.
Yeah, we're visiting mangroves almost every day. So basically we're doing this tour activity, adventure activity. And what we really care about it is that we can teach to people how to preserve, how to conserve it. And on the same time that we are visiting the mangroves, we are doing some cleaning, we are explaining them, like how the mangroves are surviving here, how they evolved to being in salty water. Like we make a story about it so the people can really feel it.
Here, nature comes first, and the locals are very keen on preserving the biodiversity of their islands. This too should be another lesson to the world. This earth is not solely ours. We share it with thousands of species, and we should be more knowledgeable about what surrounds us so that we can too live in harmony. It reminds me of one of my favorite quotes that states, "In the end, we will only conserve what we love, we will only love what we understand, and we will only understand what we are taught." Conservation is a state of harmony between us and nature. It's not just one action, it's continuous. In the words of Nicolas Moity, we can put the laws in place and let nature do what it does. That's when the real magic happens.